Hello and welcome to Jive Basic Workshop Episode 4. We will look at American Spin, another American Spin, then Miami Special with a round chasse and hip bump. So we dance American Spin and another American Spin. I'm suggesting dancing chasse in place but slightly moving forward. Quick, 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 quick. Now Miami Special with round chasse and hip bump. When we dance hip bump, we need to straighten knee and not necessary to touch the hips, but make this accent. So bend knee and accent when straightening knee. And now with the count and quick, 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 quick. And now let's look at man's steps. Rock, rock, triple step, rock, rock, triple step, rock, rock, chasse to side, round chasse, rock, rock, step up, triple step. Ladies steps, rock, rock, triple step turn, triple step, rock, rock, triple step turn, triple step, rock, rock, triple step, round chasse, rock, rock, step up, triple step. And now to music. Let's thank our demonstrators Edgars and Eliza, and also special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and learn from me, from Egils Smagris, personally. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.